Alright, in the last video we went over how to manually type in these fields. We can also link these to properties in our file. So we go here, let's do the weight for example. We could type in weight, and for the value expression we could select the mass, hit OK. We could pop back into our drawing, and now we can have a weight that pops up. In order to accomplish a link from scratch, what you can do is this symbol here, link to property. We can select model found here, drop down the property name, and that custom property we just made is right there. We can click OK, and that's how you can link text to a custom property that you made.